Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at the street corner cooking up some fried banana. Banana's kind of going into this marinade, into the boiling hot oil, coming out, serving it fresh here on the street corner. Oh, wow, amazing, absolutely amazing. By far, one of the best street desserts I have eaten. I'm only going to eat one, so I'm not alive. I could eat a dozen of these. This is absolutely a winner. All right, I'm going to try to give you the taste of fried banana, listening to this crunch. Now this fried banana that you're eating right now costs us 38 cents for 10,000 dong. Give it a taste and let me know what you think.
Very good. It's not overly sweet. It's really just banana itself and the flour that they use to caramelize it. It's very good. Very crunchy.
And there goes our fried banana cart. All she does is walk up and down the street, stop when someone says, "Please, can I have one?" And just as luck has it, because as you can see, we just happen to be here in District 3 on this day at the exact moment that she stopped.